Welcome to CCNA Version 3 course. Lecture number 3. Introduction to Network and Internetwork Devices. Part 1. Computer Network Components. Computer network are basically built from three components: end devices, media, intermediary devices. End devices. End devices are used by end users, employees, to access network and run network applications, programs, software, etc. On the network. With the help of end devices, users can transmit and receive data across the network. Computers, laptops, tablets, IP phones, and mobiles are the example of end devices. IP phone. A VoIP phone or IP phone uses Voice over IP technologies for placing and transmitting telephone calls over an IP network, such as the Internet, instead of the traditional public switched telephone network (PSTN). NIC network interface card, LAN card, Ethernet adapter. In the list of networking devices, NIC stands on first place. Every computer must have a NIC in order to connect with the network. Without NIC, network device will not be able to communicate with each other. NIC is an interface that enables the computer to communicate over the network. NIC is an input-output device. It sends data from computer to the network and receives data from the network. Types of NICs. There are two types of NICs, media specific. Different types of NICs are required to connect with the different types of media. For example, we cannot connect wired media with wireless NIC card. Just like this, we cannot connect coaxial cable with Ethernet LAN card. We have to use the LAN card that is particularly built for the media type which we have. Network design specific. A specific network design needs a specific LAN card. For example, FDDI, token ring, and Ethernet have their own distinctive type of NICs. They cannot use others' NIC card. NIC speed 10 Mbps category 4. It is used in Ethernet. 100 Mbps category 5. It is used in fast Ethernet. 1 Gbps category 6. It is used in 1 gigabit Ethernet 1 GBE. 10 Gbps category 6. It is used in 10 gigabit Ethernet 10 GBE. 40 Gbps category 7. It is used in 40 gigabit Ethernet 40 GBE. 100 Gbps category 7. It is used in 100 gigabit Ethernet 100 GBE. NIC stand for Network Interface Card. LAN card stand for Local Area Network Card. It is also called Ethernet card or Ethernet adapter. WNIC stand for Wireless Network Interface Card. WNIC is used for wireless networks. Network interface cards. Computer network media. Media is used to link end devices with intermediary devices. Medium carries data information from one device to another on a network. Media is divided into two parts: bounded media, which has physical structure, copper, twisted pair cable, coaxial cable, and optical fiber, etc. Unbounded media, which has logical structure, satellite waves, microwaves, radio waves, infrared waves, Bluetooth waves, etc. Computer network media. Gigabit interface converter SFP, small form factor pluggable. Connectors are used to plug a cable with a network device. RJ11, it is used for telephone line. RJ45, it is used in twisted pair cable for data transmission. DP9, it is used in rollover or console cable. Gigabit interface converter or SFP, small form factor pluggable, is used to convert electrical signals to light and change back light to electrical signals. Computer network media, fiber, patch cord, etc. Computer network components. Intermediary devices are used to connect each device and provide a path between them to communicate with each other across a network. Hubs, repeaters, bridge, switches, APs, routers, firewalls, and modems are the example of intermediary devices. Network devices. Networking devices are used to connect in devices. Servers, client computers, printers, network storages with each other within network. Network devices, hubs, repeaters, bridges, layer 2 switches, NIC, LAN cards, etc. Internetworking devices are used to connect different networks. Internetwork devices, routers, layer 3 switches, gateways, firewalls, modems, etc.